In this clip, we will look into some very interesting exercises to enhance the awareness of the contact with the stick in push-pull. And these exercises work very well in French grip. One of the challenges we have in French grip, especially in this position, which is classical French grip, is stabilizing the stick. You might find, if you're not someone who plays with French grip, that the stick goes a bit like this. It goes left and right. And we need to align it, we need to develop this sensitivity and working with the stick so it is straight. The first exercise is perhaps quite familiar to a lot of you. This is basically when we play each finger individually on the stick, just doing a one-handed roll, very slowly. And you can do in 16th note feel 1 bar per finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, switch finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also do this with both hands, etc., etc. So when you're doing this exercise, what you're developing is, number one, being able to feel the stick in the hand or with every finger, and also being able to align the stick, okay, keeping it straight. The goal is to keep it straight with each finger and also with the fulcrum. Okay, and again, this might be a bit awkward at first, but do stick with it. It takes a minute, but it's a very good exercise. Of course, you do this with the other hand as well. Now, I found this exercise in an old book by Gary Chaffee called Patterns. My addition to this exercise is playing the same way, but with 2 fingers on the stick, the little finger and the ring finger, while the middle finger will be off the stick. So we do the same thing like this. So we basically have 5 positions: little finger, ring finger, middle finger, index and fulcrum, and then 2 fingers like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, switch finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, switch finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch. Of course, you do this with your other hand as well. Another version of this exercise, and this is something I developed for myself and for my students, is doing the same exercise or using the same principles, but with push and pull. So we are going to play the push-pull individually with each part of the hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then switch finger, 2, 3, 4, and switch finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, switch finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat, and so on. So this exercise might feel a little bit awkward at first, but again, stick with it and see if you can stabilize that stick. And what you will develop is not only strength in each finger, but also sensitivity to where the stick is on the finger. And the other thing that you will develop is that straight stick. So the stick will not move left or right, or at least you'll know when it's doing that.